A long awaiting video I have promised to, provide, and it's been a matter of distraction upon distraction. Early this morning, I made a post on my YouTube community. My phone is disturbing me a lot due to the camera issue, and the resolution is very bad for the past 2 weeks, so I'm unable to upload video. That's why I've been silent and very quiet nowadays. So what I did was that I tried to fix the camera lens, and it was bad. It was not working at all to give you the quality video that I personally want. So I unable to provide video for the past 2 weeks, and I can see a lot of comments requesting. Many of you want to get more information about import duty calculation on some particular cars, but I'm unable to do that. So now my vision is to find myself a new phone that will give me quality video resolution, and it's not easy at all to purchase it, but I'm managing things for now. So those of you asking for videos and it has not been published on this platform, pardon me, it's really quite difficult for me at the moment, and I'm trying to face things out. Let's move forward. I have a video about Toyota Corolla 2021, and it can't be published at the moment because I have a challenge publishing that video last week and this week to the same. So we are going for this Honda Accord 2018 import duty cost, and it's going to be a classic one. So the CIF cost of this Honda Accord 2018 is 24,200 US dollars. So in Ghana cedi converted is 264,264 Ghana cedi. We have component which is CIF, import duty, NHIL, get fund, AU levy, ECOWAS levy, examination fee, and the VAT. So CIF cost is 264,264 Ghana cedi. Import duty 10% is 26,426.40. NHIL 2.5% is 6,606.60 Ghana cedi. We have get fund of 2.5%, which will give us also 6,606.60 Ghana cedi. AU levy is 0.2% against 264,264.00. That is the calculation about. I did in my last video, so you can check it out and figure out how you can go about it. I made this simple for the readers and viewers to know, but it will come make them complicated and very difficult to understand. So AU levy is 0.2%, which is 528.53 Ghana cedi. ECOWAS levy is 0.5%, which will give us 1,321.32 Ghana cedi. Examination fee is 0.75%, which will give us 1,981.98 Ghana cedi. We have VAT of 12.5%, value added tax on CIF plus duty plus NHIL plus get fund, which is 12.5%, will also give us 37,987.95 Ghana cedi. So let's, check it well and read it well. So this is the total levy excluding CIF. So the import duty that we are going to pay from this, cost is 81,459.38 Ghana cedi. 81,459.38 Ghana cedi. That is the total import duty we are going to pay from this cost. And we have estimated landed cost, CIF plus levies. So this means if we add 81,459.38 Ghana cedi to 264,264 Ghana cedi, it will give us 723.38 Ghana cedi. That's the whole total cost of the car purchasing, the CIF, the insurance, and the freights, and then the duty and levies, which will give us 345,723.38 Ghana cedi. So let me summarize it for you guys to figure out things well. And it is Honda Accord 2018. The CIF, that's the cost, insurance, and freight, $24,200, and we have import duty rate of 10%. I did this video when the dollar was 10 cedis. So by now it will adjust a little bit because the dollar is 11 cedi at the moment. So we always have to use the current dollar calculation to do, but I don't think it will affect the duty. I don't think it will affect it. So CIF costs 264,260 Ghana cedi. Import duty costs 26,426.40. NHIL 2.5%, 6,606.60. Get fund of 2.5%, 6,606.60. AU levy of 0.2%, which is 528 Ghana cedi, 0.53. ECOWAS levy 0.5%, 1,321.32 Ghana cedi. We have examination fee of 75%, 0.75%, which is 1,981.19 Ghana cedi. VAT of 12.5% on CIF plus duty plus NHIL plus get fund 12.5%, which is giving us 37,987.95 Ghana cedi. And the total levies total levies excluding CIF, that's the total import duty and levies, 81,459.38 Ghana cedi. And then finally we have estimated landed cost of 345,723.38 Ghana cedi. That's not the amount we are going to pay for the duty. You are just going to pay 81,459.38 Ghana cedi. That's the import duty you are going to pay. If you found this video helpful, drop your comment below in the comment section, and also don't forget to share. That is it for today. Just subscribe and I'll make sure to bring in more content, and all the promising requested I will bring them and upload on this platform. Stay tuned. This is what I can do for today. Until then, stay blessed, be better and not bitter. If you want to support Eric Otto to get filming gadget like phone, camera, please, you are welcome and feel free. I made a post on my channel today about the contact information. If you want to reach out to me, if you want to donate for any amount, if you want to send a WhatsApp message, the contact is there. You can reach out to us, then also support, so that we can also move forward to bring the quality content that you want. This project is a sacrificial work, so I don't want to bother anybody, but if really touches your heart to help us so that we can also bring out quality content and the quality video content, then support us to get a filming gadget. We just need a quality phone to film for now. We don't need a camera because camera is too costly at the moment. So if you can help us purchase a good phone, iPhone or Samsung, we are happy to receive that, and I believe it will touch somebody's heart to bless us with a new phone. Thanks for watching. This is Ghana's #1 automotive channel, and henceforth we guarantee allowing you an excellent motor vehicle experience. See you in the next video. Bye bye.